Good morning, class 12th in painting subject. Children, as you know, we are doing graphic prints from contemporary modern Indian art. Our yesterday topic was children and today's topic is Devi from contemporary modern Indian art. So let's start. Today's title is Devi. Artist Jyoti Bhatt. Full name is Jyotendra Manshankar Bhatt. Medium brass surface. Serica 1965 to 1970 AD. Period contemporary modern. Technique etching. Collection National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. Now description. Jyotendra Shankar Bhatt has engraved this graphic print during 1965 to 70 AD on a hard surface of brass with black lines by the technique of metal throwing down etching. In this point, awakening of Kundalini has been shown. This is a human process forwarded to get supernatural bliss, which is almost described in many Hindu religious books and in the knowledge of Tantra. In human body, there is a nervous system which has the great sources of supernatural energy present in different parts of vertebral column. In this picture have been shown close to navel, the place of womanish power, and close to the heart, the place of manlike powers are men through the medium of adoration, devotion, and practice of yoga or yogic activities might awake these powers known as Kundalini, taking support from nervous system of spine. These can be forwarded towards the brain. After the Kundalini is awakened, we might feel the great power of Durga, the goddess of prowess. The power circulates supernatural energy even in both without any distinction between male and female. The shapes made on both the perpendiculars close to the goddess head have shown, explaining that provision. Now about artist Jyoti Bhatt, born on 12 March 1934, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. He is having taken diploma in fine art and postgraduate degree from MS University, Baroda. Got fame as a successful graphic printer and famous photographer. He was very much impressed with Picasso and Ben Nichols. The specialization in painting of attractive construction by intaglio technique got him not only fame but also honored with some natural award. The excellence of his graphic work is seen in Devi. Children, this is Devi and I am sending picture also on your class group.